Dark matter is an undetected mass form that leaves no light or least light and could be identified through its gravitational forces. The existence of the dark energy and the dark matter were found late in the 1930s. There were solid evidences in the findings of the early 20th century. Scientists work for the existence of the dark matter that emits least light. Sources of a repulsive force that is undetected by humans so far is the dark energy. This dark energy is accelerating the rate at what the universe is expanding. The existence of the dark energy and the dark matter were just recent findings. There is no depth in the understanding of this matter and energy. What is the energy that is contained in the stars? Known energy and matter for humans constitute for about 3%. Dark matter constitute for about 25%. The remaining major part of any star is filled with dark energy. Dark energy is so far a big mystery of the universe, and it is not understood well by the scientists so far because of the complications involved in the process. Observational evidences. Why do stars move in definite orbits in most of the galaxies that are known to us so far? This is a major evidence to prove a point that there is some synchronous force that is constantly acting on these stars to make them move in a definite direction alone. The best example here to understand the concept is the solar system. It is the planets of the solar system that are revolving around the sun just because of the gravitational force from the sun. Evidences to prove a point. The orbits are formed only based on the gravitational force to keep definite distance from the central sun for years together. Similarly, the stars are also moving in orbits, which mean there is another gravitational force towards what these stars are moving in a definite direction. This gravitational force shows the existence of the dark energy or the dark matter. Motion of the galaxies. Galaxies are not left alone in the picture as well. Just like whom planets of the solar system are revolving around the sun, the stars are being pulled in by the gravity of the dark energy. Same is the cases with the galaxies as a whole too. Yeah, they are forming clusters of definite shape and structure just because of the gravitational forces again. The sources of that gravity are again nothing but the dark energy and the dark matter. Hot gas in the cluster of galaxies. There's enough number of evidences to prove a point that there are magnanimous volumes of hot gases in the space. Milky Way galaxy has plenty of evidence to prove a point here. There's tremendous scope of reading and learning the dark energy contained in our own galaxy more than anywhere else.